How to deactivate a LinkedIn account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you are taking a break from LinkedIn or you are ready to say goodbye completely, here's how you can deactivate or close your account. For that, open up any browser in your PC and then in the search bar search for linkedin.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and tap on the me icon right over here, then tap on settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, you want to go ahead and tap on account preferences, and just like that, inside here you want to go ahead and tap on close account. Now inside this section, you want to go ahead and give it a reason for closing your account. You want to go ahead and tap on any one of them and then tap on next again. And before you continue the process, you want to go ahead and simply type in your password to close this account. And once you type in your password and click on close account, once done, your account will be permanently deleted after 14 days and all your connection, messages and content will be removed. Also, LinkedIn offers a hibernate mode which lets you temporarily deactivate your profile. Your profile becomes invisible, you stop receiving notifications and you can reactivate anytime by signing back in. For that, you will go ahead and tap on hibernate account and just like so tap on hibernate. And that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.